In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect K850 via Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up the keyboard and mouse included in the K850 bundle from Logitech. So, in order to set these devices up, you will have to use a Bluetooth connection, and it is going to be primarily done by using these multicolored keycaps or buttons on the keyboard and the buttons available on the mouse itself. This keyboard and mouse combo, they can be connected to 3 different devices. So for example, you can have one laptop on the first button here, the other one can go over to a MacBook, and then the last one can be a smartphone or a tablet, for example. It doesn't matter which device you connect them to, as long as you go through the pairing process and they are assigned to one of these profiles here. So in order to connect it via Bluetooth, make sure that the device that you will be connecting them to has Bluetooth capabilities enabled. So access the settings, Bluetooth and devices, and make sure that it is turned on. With Bluetooth enabled, all that you have to do is press and hold any of the buttons available here. This will also work for the mouse. When you press and hold any of these keys here, they will start flashing rapidly, so you will see the LED blink. This indicates that it is now in pairing mode. So if you go over to the option to add a device and it searches for nearby devices, the K850 should appear on the list as long as pairing mode was set up successfully. So press and hold one of these buttons available here, and then pairing mode will start right away. With the keyboard in pairing mode, choose it from the list of available devices, and it is going to be added into your device. Now you can use it when you click or tap on this button here, and you can assign different devices to the other ones. It is going to remain connected as long as it is sufficiently charged. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect K850 via Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.